What's your purpose? What do you live for? Yeah, man, I guess those are good questions. Like, what do you want me to say? Like, love. You want me to say love? Yeah. I mean, I guess in a way it is. Was it hard at first? Let me tell you, man. It definitely it was challenging. Actually, so this is the jacket that I wore whenever I was like first learning. And I hope you can see this, but like this thing has got some major road rash. Check that out. Right there. I got seams popping everywhere on this thing. Yeah, look, road rash here, seams popped up. More here. If I could learn to do this, then the sky's the limit. It's like they aim for the stars. If you hit the moon, I mean, you've still done things that a lot of people haven't. And I mean, I picked it up pretty quickly, a couple weeks, maybe a month. And I was out on the road in that thing. Just zip around. Role model? I mean, I guess, maybe to some people. Yeah, I can see that, I guess. I'm not saying that I'm the next, Shaun White or next Tony Hawk. I do hear the whispers as I'm going by. I hear the comparisons, and I don't really think that's fair to them. They can't do what I do, and I can't do what they do. So to each their own. They've got their their like niche, and I've got mine. We're like in totally different worlds. So I mean, yeah, there's pressure, all right, for sure. I feel it. I see, people's the looks that they give me as I'm scooting by. The expectations. Like, oh, when's he gonna do his next big trick? And like, 9 times out of 10 when I'm out there, I'm just like, I'm vibing. I'm just in the zone. Like, if I do a trick, cool. If not, whatever. Like, I'm just like, I'm out there doing my thing. Like, I'm riding my ride. I'm not out there riding for you. I'm not out there to like show off, like try to be famous or do something like that will make you think that I'm cool. Like, I don't need your validation, man. Oh yeah, you notice that? I don't know if you guys can see this on the camera or not. It might be a little too dark, but yeah. I mean, accidents do still happen. Out there, making sacrifices for the things that we love. What would I do if I didn't have the kick scooters in my life? That's no one's really ever asked me that before, and I never really thought about it. But like, it's hard to like imagine my life now without that. Like. It's just such like a big integral part of like my daily routine. It's like, I honestly, I can't tell you what it'd be like. I can't even I can't imagine. I can't fathom it. If someone told me tomorrow that I can never do it again, like, I'm fighting with everything in my soul, like tooth and nail. Like every inch of the way, I'm clawing. I'm trying to like, stop that from happening. I'm fighting. I'm kicking and screaming the entire time. It is hokey and everything, but I didn't choose a scooter life. The scooter life chose me, man. It was like once I stepped foot on that thing, it was like, I don't know, man, like magic. And so I think it goes back to that first question that you asked me, what's your purpose? What do you live for? Scooting, man. 2 wheels for life.